Alright, so we are at Seaport Village today, and we are headed to, what's the thing called?
The Midway.
We're headed to the Midway. It's this nice little aircraft carrier slash museum, and we're gonna get our learn on about some old ass planes and stuff. So we will catch you in a few minutes. Alright, we're taking a little break. This is a shot of the main area in the carrier. We did most of the below deck stuff already, and I was gonna walk around with the camera because the ceilings are low and all the doorways have lots of stairs, and being as tall as I am, I probably would have killed myself, and we can't have that. So like I said, taking a little break right now. Gonna get a little shot of the outside, and then we're gonna be doing the flight deck in a little bit. Did take a lot of pictures while we were down there, so got some that are just of the stuff that's around, and then you know, stuff that's a little silly, you know how we got to do that. So check back with you in a little bit. Alright, more stairs.
Woo. At least they're not as steep as the other ones.
Yeah, we can actually walk normally.
Wrong way.
All right. So got us a nice bunch of little planes.
We have 31. Red. Don't you want to start with 31? No.
And usually the audio will be provided by this little thing, but they don't have any kind of jacks for cameras. They give you headphones instead. So everybody's gonna lose out.
Yeah, he said you guys were gonna move on.
He's right down there. Let's just go and say goodbye. You can take your time.
That's right.
Alright, got a nice little view of the water. What's that statue called? Is that Kiss Me Goodbye because my ass is going to war and I ain't coming back?
Yeah, that sounds good.
There's probably some story behind that.
Yay for the Navy.
Yeah, that's the story.
Yep, that's the story for you.
Why is that area filled?
Well,
Spencer, watch out.
Oh. She didn't say.
Right on Seaport Village area, there's some really nice ones right here. You go, please go there. Yeah, right here. Just go right over there. Just come out here.
Yeah, we're on a boat. Want to look over the edge? I'll show you down at the water.
Can you imagine trying to land a plane on here? Oh my god.
I can't imagine trying to land a plane, period.
Oh, yeah. Well, that too.